Okay, oh. Okay.
Now we will have an interview with John Bradley, one of the former flag raisers. John, what role did you play in the War of Iwo Jima?
I helped raise the flag on Mount Suribachi. I did not do much. They needed help, and I was there at the right place at the right time. People refer to us as heroes. I personally don't look at it that way. I just think that I happened to be in this certain place at a certain time, and anybody on the island could have been there, and we certainly weren't heroes. And I speak for the rest of them as well. That's just the way we thought of ourselves.
Now we will be interviewing Ira Hayes. What did you play in the role of Iwo Jima? I helped raise the flag. After the flag raising, John Bradley got hurt. He hurt both of his legs, so he couldn't walk. Me and Renee Gagnon had to help him and had to carry him out on a stretcher. Mike, Harlan, and Franklin had already been killed. When we got home to the White House, President Truman told me that I was an American hero. How could I feel like a hero when only 5 men in my platoon out of 45 survived, when only 27 men in my company of 250 managed to escape death or injury? I never felt like a hero. I was just one person. I didn't do anything. It was the other guys.
Now we will be interviewing Renee Gagnon. What role did you play in the War of Iwo Jima?
Well, I don't think I did that much. I just hoisted a flag up with 5 other dudes. I was the youngest flag survivor. I'm so sad that 3 it's okay. Of my greatest friends passed away on that island. Although I am still alive and they're not. I feel guilty that I survived and they didn't. The one thing that kept me going was the picture I had of my girlfriend in my helmet. I knew that I was not only fighting for myself, but I was fighting for her as well. After this war, I served in the 3rd Battalion, but I really missed my friends. So I arrived back home and I got promoted as corporal, and then I got discharged with honor at Camp Pendleton. That right there is where we raised the flag. Me, Franklin, Harlan, Mark, John, and Ira. Now, once we come down here, we will see where we raised the flag on Mount Suribachi. It was a memorable time for us. The flag, with wind and turbulence, has fallen many times, and I guess they have not put it back up. But the flag raising was very memorable for all of us, and it was the first time that Japanese, an American flag had been raised on Japanese soil. And because of this, the Japanese were so devastated that they committed suicide just for their honor.
Now we will be...
Okay, now they're in the background.